Let's now get to the Nextcloud Hub 26 Spring Release news about Nextcloud Office, powered by Collabora Online since quite a while. Nextcloud Office is a collaborative office suite based on Collabora Online. It is fully interoperable with all major document, spreadsheet and presentation formats, and it is accessible from any modern browser. Collabora's partnership with Nextcloud is based on a shared mission and goes back all the way to 2016. We collaborate closely and jointly serve hundreds of customers. Together, we deliver value and work on improving the product daily. And we team up, both with Nextcloud as well as ecosystem partners, to support many migrations. As with every major release, there are lots of improvements. Let us now highlight a few. The first awesome feature to announce is support for AI integrations across the suite. There is now a new AI assistant built in. Go to View, then enable the AI sidebar. The first thing it can help you with is generating content. Just like a browser prompt, but without switching context. Create the content for an email, for example, or some nice visuals for your document. And then add it to your document at your current cursor position just with a click of a button. Next, let's have a look at spreadsheets. For spreadsheets, let's go next level. You can also directly interact with the document in an editing session. Now, here's a common problem. A spreadsheet was copied and now contains a number of errors. Let's see what the new AI integration can help us with. Click on the little exclamation mark on the problematic cell. Then ask the AI assistant to help fix the problem. Oh, the first option sounds plausible. So let's use that. And voila, problem fixed. What can we do even better? Yes. Now let's have a look at this chunk of reference errors, which is always annoying. You see the proposed fix, but it is always guarded with an explicit acknowledgement before the AI is allowed to edit your document. So let's approve the fix, and it is done. This will help you with many errors in your spreadsheets. To summarize, with the new Nextcloud Hub 26 Spring Release, for all Office document, you will have the new AI chat sidebar. This new AI chat sidebar lets users interact with an AI assistant alongside the document, and after explicit acknowledgement, also interact with the document. Configuration per Nextcloud deployment is by your administrator, and with explicit acknowledgement of the underlying model and provider. You can of course also bring your own local model. Now, an important point to underline. The new AI assistant was developed in alignment with the Nextcloud AI principles and ethical AI guidelines. So if you care about providing this extra level of protection to your users, for example, against data used without permission, against bias and discrimination, or against data theft and espionage, then use one of the many on-prem local models and configure them as you can see here. And now let's look at more new stuff. Here is a lovely new feature for all you spreadsheet nerds out there. Calculated fields in pivot tables. More dynamic data analysis is possible for your finance and sales teams. And it is one more step towards perfect interoperability. Another nice improvement, better templates. Templates have always been there, where you could collect frequently used documents in a shared place. But there was a problem. .x and other template extension files sometimes could previously not be edited in Nextcloud Office, since they were handled as read-only before. As you can see, we have now fixed that. Beyond all of that, there's an awesome amount of additional improvements. Let me just highlight a few. For Impress, there's basic section support, which is lovely for structuring your large presentation decks. For Calc, there's a warning when a change breaks references, which is super useful for large sheets where you wouldn't notice before it's too late. Additionally, there's Markdown import and export and Markdown to PDF templating for all those programmers out there. Accessibility certification, which is now BitV 2.0 tested and making the software easily usable for everyone.